హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ తెలుగు బాయ్స్ ఛానల్. టుడేస్ టాపిక్లో హిస్టరీ నుంచి టాప్ 50 బిట్స్ మనం డిస్కస్ చేయబోతున్నాం. అలాగే టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్ళే ముందు తెలుగు బాయ్స్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఓకే, లెట్స్ గో టు ద టాపిక్. వాట్ వాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ మెటల్ యూజ్డ్ బై మ్యాన్? ఆన్సర్ కాపర్. The Indus Valley civilization was discovered in which year? Answer 1921. Who was the founder of Nanda dynasty? Answer Mahapadmananda. The title of Devanampriya was given to? Answer Ashoka. Who was the founder of Sunga dynasty? Answer Pushyamitra. The court language of Mughals was? Answer Persian. The coin rupiah was first issued by? Answer Sher Shah. Akbar defeated Rana Pratap in the Battle of Haldigati in the year of? Answer 1576. The strategy of divide and rule was adopted by? Answer Lord Curzon. Delhi became the capital of India in which year? Answer 1911. The first Governor General of Bengal was? Answer Warren Hastings. Who was the founder of the French East Indian Company? Answer Colbert. Shuddhai movement was started by? Answer Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The first Women's University in India was founded by? Answer D.K. Karve. The first movement launched against British in India was? Answer Swadeshi movement. Mahatma was added before Gandhiji's name during? Answer Champaran Satyagraha. In which session of Congress the organization splitted? Answer Surat 1907. Who is the founder of Atmiya Sabha? Answer Rajaram Mohan Rai. Who is the founder of Swaraj Party? Answer Motilal Nehru, C.R. Das and C. Kalekar. The emblem of 24th Tirthanka? Answer Lion. The Battle of First Panipat started in 1526. In this war, Babur defected who? Answer Ibrahim Lodi. Battle of Kalinga started in which year? Answer 261 BC. First Battle of Tarain started in which year? Answer 1191. Who was the main male god worshipped by Indus people? Answer Lord Vishnu. Who is the 23rd Jain Tirthankara? Answer Parshvanath. Non-cooperation movement launched in which year? Answer 1920. Which year started in Third Battle of Panipat? Answer 1761. Who was the founder of Servants of People's Society? Answer Lala Lajpat Rai. Which king started the organization Kumbh Fair at Allahabad? Answer Harshavardhana. Harsha Charitra, a book written by Banabhattu, deals with Harsha's rising power. Indus seals were made up of? Answer, steatite. Which year started French East Indian Company? Answer, 1664. Who is the founder of Brahma Samaj? Answer, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Goa was captured by Portuguese in which year? Answer, 1510. First Governor General of India? Answer, Lord William Bentinck. What is the first English newspaper in India? Answer, the Bengal Gazette. Who wrote the book Babu Vivaha? Answer, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Who was founder of Madras? Answer, Francis Day. During which governor rule the Indian Civil Service was introduced? Answer, Lord Cornwallis. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? Answer, Swami Vivekananda. The birthplace of Gautam Buddha? Answer, Lumbini at Nepal. Which year started Khilafat movement? Answer, 1919. Who is referred to as Far North Gandhi? Answer, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Who built the Odisha famous Konark Sun Temple? Answer, Narasimha Dev. Who wrote the biography of Humayun, Humayun's Nama? Answer, Gulabuddin Begum. Who designed the national flag of independent India? Answer, Pingal Venkaya. Who founded Indian National Congress? Answer, Evo Hume. Who was the founder of city Agra? Answer, Sikandar Lodi. Who led the Salt Satyagraha movement with Gandhi? Answer, Sarojini Naidu. Name of the first Indian who selected for Indian Civil Service? Answer, Satyendranath Tagore.